Printful versus Printify. Which one of these print-on-demand platform is better for you to use? Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm comparing Printful with Printify and we'll figure out which one of these platforms is better for you to use for your print-on-demand business. So let's get started. Up first, we have Printful.com. What you have to do is you will go to Printful.com and you will land on this platform right here. Printful is one of the very famous print-on-demand platform out there, which allows us to connect any kind of store we want. We can connect our Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Acquid, Amazon, Weebly, Square, Gumroad. Any kind of platform can be integrated to our Printful and we can create our online store. We can design our products and then sell them on very profitable pricing, and we can go ahead and also order one for ourselves. So I will simply take you to my dashboard now. Signing up process for Printful is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your email address. It is completely free platform to use and you can just go ahead and sign up. So today I will be covering how you can create an item on Printful and how you can simply get all of these different options. You can see on our dashboard we have orders where I will be receiving my orders on Printful. Then we have our store, we have our branding, we have billing. When it comes to our withdrawal method and payment method, very simple payment methods, and they actually allow us to receive money and make money on Printful. First of all, what we're going to do is we can go to the product template and let me show you what kind of products are available on Printful. Printful is actually really famous for its quality because the quality of the product is actually really good, and that is one of the most important thing when it comes to running an online business and online print on demand. So first, what we can do is we can just click on create new and then we can select from all of these different products. So there are men's clothing, women clothing, kids and youth, hats, accessories, home and living, and then we have different collections and brands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a classic t-shirt. Let's go with a men's clothing, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select shirts. All right, so you can see in shirts now I have all of these different options. We have t-shirts, we have tank tops, we have long sleeves, embroidery, we have hoodies, sweatshirts. So these are the different variety. The variety of products is actually pretty good on Printful. So you can see I'm gonna go with this one. All right, so this is how you will design a product in Printful. This is the look of our product right here, and it says drop your design here. Now you can get your design from your computer or you can go with an embroidery as well. Now this is actually a pretty good option that we get on Printful, and that is why Printful stands out to us when it comes to creating our own designs, because we can also add embroidery on our t-shirts, on our clothing. When it comes to color, every product has different colors available in different sizing. So I'm going to go to the design right here and let's go ahead and add a design from our computer. So you can see right here, we also get a lot of different designs and, embroidery designs available, and we can go with images and like quick designs or clip art. So you can see this is actually pretty amazing, and I don't even have to do that anything. And I can just create cool t-shirts from here, and I can just choose the design and design a t-shirt for myself too. So I have selected this one right here, and now what I can do is I can of course make it a little bigger, and or I could just like place it right here. This is going to be my print area, and this is where it will be printed. Or what I can do is I can just go ahead and make it a little smaller. We can adjust the size according to our requirement. So I'm going to just place it right here, and I think it looks pretty good. So this is how you can also go ahead and design a product in Printful. Click on continue. And there you go, we have our own product. Now I can give it a name and it will be available in all sizes, and I can add product colors, I can add files, and I can add pricing as well for my product, and I will be able to simply buy that product as well. So this is how Printful works, and it's really easy. Now I can just click on save product template and it will be saved for me, and I can use it later too. So this is where I can check all of my designs that I have done before, any stickers, any t-shirts that I have designed, and I can save them here. I can also get orders or design products for myself using Printful for free. Now let's compare it it to Printify. So what you have to do is you simply go to printify.com and you will get to this platform right here. Printify is another print on demand platform, really famous, and it has a lot of variety of products for us. When it comes to the variety of products, we have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, accessories, home and living, my favorites, of course, where I will be able to see the products that I have saved. Then we have mugs, and we have like blankets that we can design. We can design socks, we can design phone covers. So when it comes to the variety of products, I would say that Printify has more variety. And when it comes to the quality of the product, well, Printful is actually well known for its quality. Printify is also good quality, and we can create our own store on Printify for free. Once you have your store and now you want to create a product, let's go with a unisex cotton tee. So these are all different products available, and the profit price is also pretty good, and I can earn a good amount of profit when it comes to creating a product. So the basic cost of the product is also pretty low, and we can add cool designs too. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to click on start designing. Another thing that we get on Printify is that Printify has a lot of different partners when it comes to designing and printing your product. So you can select the one that you like, and we can also select the shipping date, everything. So you can just check that out as well before designing your product. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on add your design. And now what we can do is we can select from a library, or we can add a new design as well. So I'm going to go to design and my device. So I have added the design right here. This is my design. Now I can move on to prices of variants. So you can see right here, there are white, black, dark, and these are different colors available. So I'm going to select all the colors, and then we have different sizes. This is about the stock, and then we have the pricing right here. So there are 10 providers for this one. And if I click on 12 providers, now it will show me different providers and different sizes if they are available or if they're not. So a lot of providers are available on Printify. That is actually one thing that really stands out to me. And we can also select the shipping date according to us. If a provider is gonna provide me the product in 2 days, and then there is another one which can provide me in 4 days, so of course I'm gonna select the two ones, right? The one which will provide me in 2 days. So that's how we kind of like compare the different providers. Once you're done, you can move on to the prices and variants. Again, as I showed you, you can go to size, and then you can select the color, and you can update it. So once you're done with your product, you're gonna click on save product, and your product will be saved on Printify, and then it will show you your product right here. So you can see this is my product, and I can check it out. We can of course get more colors on Printify as well. If we talk about the designs, well, there were custom designs available on Printful, like they were giving us a design library. Then we have Printify, where we can upload our own design. When it comes to creating a store, Printify gives us our own store that we can create. Even on Printful we can, and we can also connect another store if we want. When it comes to the billing and payment, both of these platforms provide a really secure method and are very easy to withdraw money, and we can add any kind of payment method we want. When it comes to creating a product, that's why I wanted to show you, that's the most important part, that how they help us create a product. Well, we can add text, we can add different images, we can create embroidery products on Printful. That really stood out to me, that you can create embroidery products on Printful. When it comes to Printify, you can also design phone cases and blankets and pillowcases, or whatever product you want. Different providers available on Printify that help us create a product, or they provide us the products in different days, and they have different pricing. So we get a lot of different options when it comes to the providers. On Printful will choose your provider themselves, and when it comes to making money, we can make profit on Printful, and we can make good profit on Printify as well. As a beginner, you can check out both platforms, and they will help you create your online business, and you will be able to run a print on demand business online, and you will be able to make money. Go ahead and check out printful.com and printify.com right now if you are interested. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.